Hey guys, let's go through the pricing plan of Yodeck digital signage. We have 3 plans to choose from: Basic, Premium, or Enterprise. Or you can try Yodeck for free on our freemium model with 1 screen. The first plan we offer is the Basic plan at only $8 per month per screen. On this plan, you can upload all types of media files and display web pages, live streams, and YouTube videos. You will have access to over 70 apps, including social media, news sites, calendars, and more, plus hundreds of professionally designed layout templates. You can also create playlists and schedule your content. The Premium plan is $11 per month per screen, and we recommend this plan to most of our users. Premium offers everything from Basic, plus Power BI, Grafana, and the Tableau apps, and the ability to create sub-playlists, meaning you can add a playlist into another playlist. You can also create tag-based playlists. You will have proof of play with playback reports, and you'll be able to add a volume schedule and use the advanced media scheduling feature. Our top plan, Enterprise, is $15 per month per screen, and you will have access to everything in the Premium plan, plus workspaces to manage content and screen access per user. Along with this, you can use workspace hierarchies so you can mirror your organization structure. Custom user roles, login IP, password restrictions, and up to 3 hours SLA are just a few more of the Enterprise features available. To see the full list of features for each plan, just click on the link below. Once you have chosen your desired plan, then choose how you'd like to subscribe. We offer a subscription on a monthly or annually basis. With an annual subscription, you'll receive a free Yodeck player. And you can cancel your subscription anytime by going into the subscription panel within your account dashboard and setting the number of monitors to 1. This will deactivate all other monitors from your Yodeck account, therefore reducing your fee to $0. Sign up today at yodeck.com.